Randall Lang. This is Live and Local Fenton. I am here at Arts Are the Heart event right here behind the elementary school right here in downtown Fenton. There's a lot of cool stuff going on here and we're going to check that out. This video is sponsored by Linden Kitchen and Bath, located in Linden. If you're looking for a kitchen or bath renovation, check out Linden Kitchen and Bath. Go to lindenkitchenandbath.com for more information. I've been in some of their kitchen and baths. They are beautiful, great quality, high-end appliances. They do good quality work. So check out Linden Kitchen and Bath. So let's go see what the Arts of the Heart event is all about. Hello ladies and gentlemen, I'm here with Ryan Tackerberry from the Fenton Arts Council. He's going to tell us a little bit about what this Arts in the Heart event is all about. So Ryan, take it away.
Sure, yeah, we've been doing this for a number of years. This is our second one this year. We did one back in May. This is our back to school Arts of the Heart event. It's kind of celebrating all types of different art. We have music here. We have all kinds of pop-up and play. Lots of different stuff. Also a lot of STEAM things. We have a robotics team. We have some coding things that I'm doing here. It's just kind of a neat celebration of all kinds of different art in all its forms, where kids and families can come and take a look and try different things and just have a good day before the school starts up again.
All right, and you have another event like this coming up?
Yes, so in October, it's different than this. We're putting on, it's called the Cardboard Challenge. We'll be having, inviting kids out to use cardboard to make different creations and then to play with them. It's based off of something called Kane's Arcade. If you look that up online, so there's a really neat short video about it. And it's kind of a national event that goes on every year.
Okay, and do you have a website or a Facebook page?
Yeah, you can find us on Facebook, Fenton Arts Council, and we post about this event there and all kinds of other things that we're up to, lots of interesting arts news.
All right, thank you Ryan, appreciate it.
Yeah, thank you.
Yeah. So right now we're two schools that came together for the first Robotics League. So so basically Troy High School and Troy Athens. So the game. So every year there's a different game that starts in January. Okay. So then that means we got to build a robot according to that game, and we have 6 weeks to build it from when the video comes out of what the game is. Basically, so that's what overall is. In our club, we have about 400, roughly. Around 400, and we have 5 subgroups, which is fabrication, which builds it, program, which programs it, business, so we can get Chairman's Awards, so we can get sponsors, and we have digital media, which records it, sends it to the sponsors, so we get money, and we get sponsored.
Nice.
Okay, hi, I'm Linda Mora, and I'm the Early Childhood Director in Fenton for Fenton Area Public Schools, and this is our building. It is the World of Wonder Early Learning Programs at the Allen Street campus, and we are here with our 3rd annual pop-up adventure play, and we are in conjunction with Fenton's Arts of the Heart, and this year we also have FAR. Last year and this year we've had FAR, Fenton Area Resource Referral, joining us. So it's a perfect trifecta. There are families here getting needed school resources, backpacks, haircuts, clothing. There are other families here to join in the arts fun. There are people here that want to check out early childhood programs. My mission is to make sure all families have a good time and really understand that play is what all children need. So the pop-up adventure play is an event designed to let children play with their own rules and families to join in with them. We're hoping families come and that this becomes an annual event, the biggest event in our city that's for children and families. So we hope you come every year when you hear that we're having pop-up adventure play and Arts of the Heart.
Okay, hi, I'm Kelly Detterman. I'm part of the Fenton Arts Council, and our next Art of the Heart event is Global Cardboard Challenge, which is going to take place on October 5th this year, which will be a Saturday, and we'll have it right here at the Ellen Street location, 404 Ellen Street in Fenton, Michigan. So Cardboard Challenge is really an inspired activity by the video Kane's Arcade, which you can look that up and watch it. It's pretty cool. The idea here is to get kids inventing their own play, their own ideas, building out of soft materials like cardboard, things of that nature. And we really want to get kids out and making. As an artist and a lifetime maker, I think it's important for kids to play and discover. They're learning all on their own. They work together sometimes and individually. So my little structure here is just an idea of something that you maybe could make if you were part of Cardboard Challenge. Come on out, we'll see you there.
Alright, ladies and gentlemen, that about wraps up the Arts Are the Heart event. It was a fun time. The kids had a great time. Thank you, Fenton Arts Council, for putting on this event. If you didn't make it here this year, definitely try to make it next year, because it's a great event, and they have a lot of other events going on. So check out their Facebook page right here, and you can see what else they got going on. Thank you, Linden Kitchen and Bath, for sponsoring this video. It's much appreciated. You need a kitchen or bath renovation, please check out Linden Kitchen and Bath. Very friendly people, very high quality workmanship, and they can help you out. So check out Linden Kitchen and Bath. This is Randall Lang, live in local Fenton. Please like and share this video. It'd be much appreciated, and I will see you soon.